Hi guys, I am Sonal and today I'm sharing my big bakery style muffins stuffed with chocolate chunks and soft and gooey melted dark chocolate in the center. There's no sweeter holiday than Valentine's Day. Beyond the heartfelt love notes and sentimental gifts, it's an occasion packed with literal sweetness. So let's get started. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These bakery-style chocolate chunk muffins are big in size, flavor and texture. They are deliciously soft and moist with a crackly muffin top. Try these overloaded chocolate chunk muffins and you'll never turn to another muffin recipe again. Besides flavor and texture, you'll appreciate the simple ingredient list. You only need a few basic ingredients to make absolutely awesome chocolate chunk muffins. A crispy sky-high muffin top full of chocolate chunks, soft and buttery on the inside, a perfect way to start your Valentine morning. I love enjoying a good muffin with a nice warm cup of coffee, especially now that the fall weather is setting in. My favorite part of a muffin is the muffin top. That's why I love bakery style muffins. Breaking off that large crispy muffin top and taking that first bite is heaven to me. Enjoy these fabulous muffins with your morning coffee or as an afternoon snack. They are moist, fluffy, rich in flavor, loaded with sweet chocolate chunks. And they are so delicious, I promise you'll want to devour the whole thing, not just the tops. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions, then do share it in the comment section below. Bye!